Namaste, my name is iRyne Yogavatar. Welcome to Sequence 2 Yogavatar Glow. In this video, we focus on building strength, stretching to increase flexibility, and steadying the body and mind, which gives you a well-balanced yoga practice. Together, there are 4 Yogavatar Glow sequences for you to explore yoga poses at the beginner level and progressing to advanced level. This helps you to build body awareness and move more mindfully and confidently, preventing injuries. You will begin with yogic cleansing, gentle warm-up, following by a series of yoga poses which includes sun salutations, standing poses, core strength training, backward bending, twisting, side bending, forward bending, hip mobility, seated poses, inversion, and conclude with pranayama followed by relaxation. Yogavatar Glow helps you to have a good posture and makes you glow with robust health inside out.